Welcome to Aston Brothers Carpentry Limited, trusted specialists in professional roofing carpentry. Providing roofing carpentry across Somerset, Devon, and the wider southwest from Burnham-on-Sea. Known and trusted for dependable workmanship, clean finishing, and reliable service on every roofing project. We build entrance porch roofs and timber canopies that add protection, style, and curb appeal. We repair damaged roof timbers, strengthen weak areas, and restore structural integrity properly. From roof lantern openings to flat roofing timber construction, we prepare accurate structural carpentry. From drawing plans to finished timber work, we deliver bespoke roofing carpentry you can trust. Contact Aston Brothers Carpentry today. Call 07921 867 718 or visit astonbrotherscarpentry.co.uk.